Right, so how's it going? Today, like I said in previous videos, we were going to be installing the Itg Induction kit. So I'm at a friend's house. It's got loads of cars here. I've got the ST here, and basically what we're going to do hopefully, well, I won't probably do it step by step because a lot of you know how to do it, but I'm going to set up the stand, and then, well, I'll set up the mount, well, the camera tripod over there, and then from there we can just basically see how it works. I've never looked at installing it before. I've looked at a few videos of how to install it, but I'm just gonna get my tripod set up and then we'll go ahead and install it because it looks sick. Right, well, I know first things first, we've got to take out the headlight, so
resurface the road. Well, is it cooked up? Look at tarmac. Well, mate, all I saw was a pile of just black stuff.
So anyone got any cable ties?
I got fuck tons of cable ties.
We don't need cable ties, I reckon. Right, so we need like a Torx bit to get rid of that bit, obviously. Right, so let's just undo this bit first. Right, so that's that off. Let's get this fucking sensor off here. Unclip that. That's like a T15, isn't it? Ideal.
Did you get it out yet?
Yeah, I think so.
Different.
Fucking wing it. Don't need that. No. Okay, so you basically strip out the airbox, air filter and everything, all that comes out, and then the actual hard pipe Itg filter goes here, and obviously the MAF sensor goes within it as well. And you're supposed to replace the MAF sensor out of your old one and put it into your new one, but this one's already had it done, so that's easy enough. And then basically there's a mount down here that you're supposed to fit. Huh? Right, so I figured out this bit. This bracket, like an L-shaped bracket, goes onto here. You got like an alley key, and there's like a big washer underneath with a bolt on that basically keeps this in place. And why you've got this bracket here is because this bit needs to relocate up onto here using like cable ties and stuff like that, just so the pipe and the Itg itself, the induction kit itself, can fit down there. And then this bit here needs to be cable tied down as well, so we're about to do that now. Right, so yeah, once you've pretty much got all these brackets down, that's cable tied back. This, you're supposed to cable tie down, but I didn't even bother because I haven't really got long enough cable ties. This bit here needs to be mounted in with these two bolts, and you've got your washers as well. You've got like a little bracket that sits behind it, and obviously this one that goes in afterwards. That's just to support the pipe that goes down. And after that, you're ready to go, just do everything up, and then yeah.
Well, I placed a bid of 45 quid. It's even got a little spoiler. It won't be an SS stand, isn't it? Next year. Next year it'll be all too wide.
See if it lifts any further if you want.
Run it anyway. That did not sound good.
It sounded like a moped.
This year?
Yeah. When is it?
17th.
Yeah.
Get yourself a ticket then you can.
Get my mattress from home, innit?
Sounds like a fucking awful idea.
No?
What do you mean no?
You stick a fucking mattress on your stomach. How's that even?
There's like a lot of wiggle on it.
It works, doesn't it?
No. Turn your lights on.
I thought you still got them.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
Fucking hell, Andre.
Yeah.
It's alright, Andre, I don't want my headlight anyway.
Don't need it now.
Full race car.
Lamborghini
exhaust.
Yeah, Lamborghini exhaust.
Ferrari engine.
Semi-slick tire. I'll collide with your headlight alone.
We'll see.
What the fuck? Yeah, exactly. It used to be here, and now it's all the way down there. Or did? Yeah.
Fucking headlight.
Unless you, mate. Have you got anyone going? Oh yeah, my mum's a fucking parts dealer now.
Another wing.
Huh?
Alright, let's start off and see if it fucking makes some noise.
Make some noise. Is it tight enough though?
Just blow it off.
Fucking hell.
What do you want for it?
Right, that's all done.
No.
Love it.
Moment of truth.
How long's that?
Here's
Oh, well.
the M4.
At least we got the Let's got the headlight in.
Look
Look at that.
What's this though?
That's tight. I don't know. That was there before. That goes down there. You have to cable tie it back, otherwise that's in the way. But yeah, that's all done. Right, so that's how you install the ITG with an absolute bodge job. Here's Andre's DC5 over here as well. He'll be in the video in the future because he's just started up a channel. But yeah, we'll give you a few revs of it later on because obviously we're in a big housing estate at the minute. But yeah, I'm just going to end off the video in a sec. So yeah. Right, boys and girls, so how's it going? Welcome back. Sorry about last night when I was installing it. I know it wasn't a great video. I'm going to kind of make it a bit better here by just basically showing you guys what it sounds like from the outside. It does sound good. I've already had a few blips in it. It sounds awesome. Sorry if you can't hear me that well right now. My car is taking over at the minute and stuff like that. So basically what I'm going to do now is show you, well, I'll probably show you like how it looks now with it all fitted in. I don't know if you've already seen it last night, so I'm going to show you what it looks like now with it all in, and then we'll get some sounds of it and what it sounds like, etc, etc. So yeah, let's flip the camera around and have a look. Right, so as you can see, we have got the Itg Induction here. Now, like I said, the MAF sensor goes back in where it originally was. I think that's fully back in how it should be. I'm pretty certain it is anyway. Let's take it out and put it back in, make sure it is. Get over there. Blow it out, make sure it is all back in like so. Clips in. Obviously the actual hose itself goes down here, and I was kind of worried because I didn't think it was all going to fit with the light, but it all fits in really nicely, especially because I've got HIDs and that down there as well. I don't think it was going to fit properly, but obviously the hard pipe itself goes here. We've got, luckily I don't think we have, which I don't, well, he says that there is no leaks whatsoever, because hopefully, yeah, there's no leaks. It sounds awesome. You guys are going to hear it right now. A few good turbo chatters, it brings off a great whoosh noise as well. So I'm going to set the camera up, you can have a good listen, and then I will probably end off the video in a second. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So pretty much it was a simple install if you knew what he was doing, as obviously I didn't know what I was doing, so I kind of had to look at someone else's video halfway through my own video and figure out what I was doing. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed it. Like I said, the turbo chat only really comes up about 2k RPMs. Don't know why. That's just when a turbo chatter really, you can really hear it at its most. Rest of that, after that, you just get like the whoosh noise like you would with a blow off valve adapter like I've already got. So I've got the blow off valve adapter and the Itg now, and it sounds so good. Next thing is obviously the stage 2 cooler. Don't even know what make it is. I'm pretty sure it's MTC, which is why I got everything at a good price, because I paid 150 quid for the cooler and the Itg, which is an absolute steal. So well happy with that. And then after that, it's just going to be getting a map. So stage 2 should be looking at about 240 brake horsepower, hopefully around that mark. And then it should all be good to go. I want to get like decel on that done as well, but obviously I'm not going to end up, because I've decided I'm not going for like power and stuff like that now. So I'm going to be going for tuning lab, hopefully with them, fingers crossed. Anyway, got a few things coming up with them in the future. But yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, guys, I know it wasn't crazy good at installing it, but we got there in the end, and it was a bit of fun. So hopefully you've enjoyed that, and you got to witness the sounds of it as well. So hopefully you lot will go out and buy one now if you haven't already. Make sure you do. And yeah, check out my videos, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell button to be notified every single time I upload, because I am getting good on the uploads again, as you guys know. And like this video as well. Check out my social media, it's all in the description down below, and I will try and leave a link to the Itg itself actually if you want to buy it brand new, because I know it's like 200 quid or 220 quid, something like that, around that price. But it doesn't really matter if you get it used anyway, it's fine. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video, which will probably be the cooler video. And yeah, stay tuned for that, because there's a lot of big things coming. See you soon.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for